feel like the most important person in this world. But then still must find 10 cents, go public phone and return the caller. Last time where got caller ID, anyone call your house, you must pick up. Because you don't pick up, you don't know who called. Then you're very stressed. You must check your phone book, must go alphabetical order. You must call A or Adam call. 1985. Sorry, I cannot come too close because Deepavali must be very holy. They gave me discount. I look like a slut. Anyway, since I'm wearing a nurse outfit, I'm going to talk about health issues in Singapore. Olden doctors, old school doctors are the best. Young doctor don't know what they're doing. Old school doctor, you go to medical problem, they ask you irrelevant question. They ask you, how are you? How's work? Have you had your lunch? How's your wife? Children? All okay? Okay, here's a prescription for your broken nose. Say, doctor, I never tell you. Lao Chow ma, Lao Chow. Taxi, don't talk lah. That was ridiculous. The surcharge, until today, I don't get it. You look at the taxi, since reaching a destination, you see 3 amount. 3 amount? We cannot prepare because what 3 amount? And then the uncle will press a magic button. Ding! 24.94. You're like, huh? Even hospital also, the private hospital following same thing like taxi surcharge, you know. Before midnight, a scan is 400. After midnight, 900. Cannot pay by EasyLink card, someone pay. Taxi can pay. You go private hospital, you say can pay by EasyLink, no? The hospital tell you, you take the EasyLink card, you take the MRT. You go all the way to Kallang there. See, there's a river there, you jump lah. Very soon, the hospital going to follow changing shift like taxi. Because taxi changing shift also don't make sense. You flag the taxi come changing shift, uncle wind down the window, you say Bedok, he say Jurong. Why? How is that going to help me? Cannot means cannot lah. So what do you want me to take your taxi, go all the way to Jurong, from there take another taxi to Bedok, is it? So hospital also going to follow changing shift. You go to the doctor, he say, doctor, I got heart problem. He says, sorry, I'm not going there, today I'm going liver. Like changing shift lah. Anyway, back to nurses. You know, nurses' job is the hardest job in the entire world besides me. Because nurses, they go through, every day go to the hospital, clean sheet, clean urine, bathe the old man, see dead people, and then go home. Especially women, oh my God. They think can go to the gym and can get good catch. Because all the men there got good skin, nice, handsome, nice body, neat hair, matching outfits. These girls are all getting it wrong. And they say they're all gentlemen. Yes, they are gentle with other men. You know how hard I studied to become an elf in ITE? Yeah, ITE stands for Indian Trained to be Elf. Only night class very full because nowadays after 10 o'clock cannot drink, so everybody studying. That day I saw a stupid Clarky take a picture of herself in a club. No. And then they take selfie, then they take picture, they say, I'm in a restaurant, I'm at a concert, I'm at home, I'm at parliament. But you cannot see where they are because all close up, what? And speaking of parliament, recently one minister said to tackle poverty in Singapore, he used a very expensive kueh lapis. He said poverty got many layers. So you poor people, you bought expensive ticket, huh? You poor people, 11, no? You want to buy condom. You just look at the condom only, the cashier will. She like, you end up buying potato chip. Female later, you go out, you come back again. Want to buy condom again? The cashier. Potato chip. End up so many potato chip you have. You go home, your girlfriend say, want to have sex now? No, watch movie, I got enough potato chip. And then what we started doing, buy potato chip and put the condom below. The cashier take the potato chip and So this potato chip company, they should help us by putting the condom in the bag. Right. No need to be all like half of the package, right? Then to know the condom is inside, they can put outside the slogan, this is what Jack uses with Jill. You see, my friend was going to get married. But before the marriage, the mother-in-law was flirting with him. Because she was very hot, apparently. That's why he tell me. Wow, every time she always wing when daughter not looking. Then suddenly, just before the wedding time, right, mother-in-law called my friend, say, can you come over? I need to check the wedding invitation. He went there, she was alone. He panicked. Some more wearing lingerie. Chinese lingerie, same thing. Lingerie. And then suddenly her nene was bigger than normal. I think she pulled from the thigh all, no? And then he sit down, she bent down. How's the invitation? He look up. Which one? Then the mother-in-law said, I tell you what, I think we just do it. I know you also got the thing for me. I have the thing for you. Let's have sex before you get married. Solve the problem. So the mother-in-law said, I'll be upstairs, And then all naked, lying down in a lovely position. You decide and you come up. She went out, my friend was standing there, don't know what to do. Shall I go up? Shall I not? Shall I go up? Shall I not? You know, like men, women talk like that, they start thinking with the wrong head, right? He turned, went to the main door, he opened the main door, father-in-law there crying. My friend said, why? Stupid. Then we had to alter the whole thing. Because I don't want to be responsible for any accident, After 2 cars accident and the guys write insurance claim, they put there, I was driving carefully, then I saw Kumar's nene and I lost control of everything. Because Singaporeans get distracted very fast. Even driving city, got accident, everybody slow down. Not to see who died, no, car plate number. So LTA should help us. The big board they put accident lane 4. No, they should put the car plate number there. 4445 or 5554. So that the Chinese can go and gamble, then the traffic will be smoother. Men and pets, they love dogs. That's why man's best friend is dog. They never say man's best friend is a woman. You don't believe me? You drive your car now, bring your dog and your wife, open the boot, put both of them inside, lock the boot, go for 3 hours, come back. You open the boot, dog will still wag. Your wife become the dog. I don't understand one thing. You go to work, you pay ERP. Okay, because work is a punishment. Right? And then you get punished twice. That's okay. But then when you're coming home, you get to pay ERP again. Home is a reward, what? What they're going to do is they're going to put an ERP gantry right outside your house. So that the day you shower, one day shower, you wear your clothes, you take your car, you come on and beep! ERP, Singapore, I tell you. And one more thing, that one never mind. ERP, construction road also got ERP. There's a construction going on, got ERP. Who is causing the traffic jam? We are. And in Singapore, everywhere they dig. One day it's just going to go down. Construction, you know what the government should give us when there's a construction going on a road? They should give us CRP, construction rebate package. Children, God is fair. Give you all the money, but the ovary not working. So my Chinese friend, one day the wife told the husband, no, I'm going out to get groceries because I invited our friends. I'm cooking for them tonight. Husband said, okay, go. She went, she came back, then she checked all the groceries. She's like, oh my God, I forget to buy the snails. Then my friend, the husband said, why? No, I promised to cook for them escargots, Peranakan style. The husband said, never mind, only 2 o'clock. She's like, no way, I have to cook the escargots, Peranakan style. Then my friend, the husband said, okay, never mind, I go to cold storage and get the snail. She said, no need, don't panic. Sentosa got beach, right? You take 2 pail, you just go there, collect all the snail, whatever that's moving around there. Then my friend, the husband said, if the snail poisonous, how? The wife said, we blame it on the coconut milk. So the husband went, took 2 pail of snail. He turned neighbor, one lady standing there inside the house, naked. You know, when men see a woman naked, they start thinking with the wrong head. So he went there, inside, and then he had sex with her. After orgasm, you all don't know what orgasm, huh? Okay, it's a board game can buy in popular bookstore. So anyway, after orgasm, he's so tired, he slept. Because there's a saying, men after sex will always get tired. Then how come cannot catch rapists? So anyway, he slept. He woke up 2 hours already, no? He panicked. Took the two pail of snail, went back to his own house, the front door. He dropped all the snail on the floor. Then the wife opened the door and said, why so late? And then my friend said, I told you that she's going to scold. Faster, faster. Okay, those who don't get it, my advice is just laugh. Don't later take Grab car, you're alone in the car. Then the driver, Chow Kana, my driving funny, man. You remember the Ferrari story, the 70-year-old lady? Remember? Ayo. My question to her, 70 years old, can get into a lot of women who are single, a lot of men who are also single because women don't understand men, men don't understand women. Let me explain to you women. I know men. I was a man before. I'm still one lah, shit. Men cannot multitask, finish. Man, if you tell me you can multitask, when you're having the morning poo in the toilet and using your Facebook, that is not multitask. Man cannot multitask because he can sit in a car, the friend sit next to him, they're driving the car. Then the friend say, hey, hot girl. He cannot reply because cannot multitask. When he reached the destination, then he, yeah, I saw. He like, who you saw lah? So long already. And man, if you don't understand women, I will explain to you because I'm almost there. Women are like dolls. If you're lucky, you get Barbie doll. If you're unlucky, you get Annabelle.
In Singapore, a lot of problem. Nowadays, a lot of people have got Angmo boyfriend or Angmo husband in Singapore. Slang, slang, slang. You get irritated. Don't know what they're talking about. Then in Singapore, I was in Chinatown. This girl, Chinese girl. Oh, Kumar. Start already now. My father named me Kumar. Now got Q. Kumar. I said, what is it? She said, what are you doing in Chinatown? I said, I came here to have kolo mee. They say Malaysian, the mee very good one. I said, oh, how about you? I came here to have spaghetti in Chinatown. Spaghetti, huh? Meat pork, say meat pork, lah. It's true. A lot of feeling, no? Slang, why? Be yourself. Of course, when you talk to Angmo, you have to articulate. Articulate and slang is two different things. It's an
Good. Some people didn't come, huh? Two empty chair. Put your leg lah, sit down, explain out our money. Just spread your leg. Then how do you think this building came out? They borrow money, Our money lah. So anyway, thank you so much for coming down. We're going to have lots of fun today. It's also rated RA, which I don't know why. Because they say below 18 cannot see this kind of show. And then Singapore highest abortion rate, below 18. That is just... Don't worry, people up there. I will once in a while focus because sometimes I can't do this because I feel I'm talking to God. So, I know the traffic jam was bad and all that. You know how Singapore is, right? The only country in this entire world with the most traffic lights. And the irony part, Singaporean buy sports car. You going where? How we our sports car? Traffic light. Oh, green now. Traffic light. I tell you, Singapore love lah. It's the most safest country lah, whatever it is lah. So don't worry, whatever is going to happen today, we are just going to have a good time and laugh about it, okay? Because we are all very stressed out, I understand. And for all those who believe in me and bought the most expensive ticket, thank you, eh? It doesn't mean, thank you. It doesn't mean the cheap one is okay. It's okay, I understand your problem. And these people sitting here like look like some like in a futuristic movie where the spaceship comes in like for a drive-in movie. Oh my God, are people still late? Or am I seeing things? And today I take taxi driver. Uncle Esplanade, please. Singapore, where go Esplanade? Uncle Durian, have. We spent $100 over million building this building and then Esplanade. For the latecomers, we'll wait for you, don't worry. Please, take your time. Oh! It's okay, it's okay. Hey, 118 now. Okay, we take your time. Please, don't fall down. Give way lah, $118 leh. Yeah, before I performed the show, I just called Nathan lah because we are very good friends. And I was a good runner. I was a long distance runner. It's a form of escape in school lah. Every time people call me Aqua, Bapo, Sisi, Pondan, I run away. The louder they call, the further I ran. Like Forrest Gump, But for these guys, this wasn't enough. So I told myself, I have to be different than what any guys can do. So in school, there was this Indian dance society. So I joined the Indian dance society. And my teacher taught me only the basics. I excelled in it. So all this dancing, I was very fit, right? After school, I went to national service. So I thought, yeah, easy lah. They should go to put me in music drama company, MDC, also known as the Aquam Platoon. No, they didn't send me there. They sent me basic military training to Pulau Tekong. And then School of Signals to become a combat signaller. Combat. They just didn't realize I was already giving signals to the hunkies in the platoon, right? And then can you imagine during war, I have to give out a signal. Then I'd be like, testing, hello, testing, huh? Hello? Can you hear me? Okay. Hi, hello, I'm your friendly neighbor, remember? For what? Thanks for yesterday. Anyway, this is Naina, in Tamil is Bombode. Yes, all the boys, please prepare your gun, War started already, Goodbye, bye. Your leg can be at the wall, now cannot. Your leg there, don't come back. Like that you must walk to TCM, that. Even go toilet, 20 years old, come back. Now, wallah, and then you thought you finished, come out, got some more. One never ending one, I tell you. Very stressed, at such an age, my God, really. That's why when a 20-year-old meet a 20-year-old, what they talk about? Education, let's find job, let's fall in love. When a 30-year-old meet a 30-year-old, what they talk about? Let's educate more, change job, get married, have children. When a 40-year-old meet a 40-year-old, what they talk about? Divorce, stuck in the job, life is boring. But when a 50 meet a 50, what we talk about? Where to get cheap medicine, where's the best DCM. We walk past Garden Pharmacy, we see wheelchair, so we like, I'll see you soon. Very stressed, I tell you, But whatever it is, ever since I moved to HDB, very exciting. I like the older generation. Very cute. One auntie, I'm living there 5 years already. Until today, she asked me the same question. Kumar, you stay here. And then got one auntie. Every time I go to work, I call cab, because I don't want to scare my neighbor, But one auntie from the coffee shop will come out, see me running to the cab, going, Kumar, chokang! And then I know makeup, same auntie from the coffee shop. Kumar, offer. Yeah. But very good, cannot get angry with them. You cannot. Because they're so like, you go McDonald's now all working because CPM, never mind, let's not go there. They get 5,000, hello. After that, don't know when. So, they go and work in McDonald's, very stressful, That time I want to eat cheeseburger, my problem, right? I tell the auntie, one cheeseburger. From the counter, she screamed, you Indian can eat beef, man? And then I'm like, McChicken. How is that racist? You stupid or what? Indian cannot eat beef. How is that racist? Hey, what are you talking about? Anything now just say racist, Oh no. So I changed the whole thing to like McChicken. No choice already, I tell you. But Singapore is there. The China people in Singapore, they create their own English now, Not that they speak proper English, their own English. I went to Bugis to buy a t-shirt. I took the t-shirt, asked the China girl, got new piece, You know what she replied? As-salasa pizza. I said, As-salasa? Yes, pizza, no new pizza, es el last pizza, no por favor. It's very strange. And then the Pinoys don't say F, everything P. You go McDonald's, they sorry, you want burger with French fry? No, I want French fry. Yes, sir, burger with French fry. You forget your English, you know. It's like when you go Thailand, Bangkok, with the Thai people, you can never get angry. Because Thai people will calm you down. You go to Bangkok, you say, how much this one? You say 400 baht. Can go 200? No. Why now you so no good? You give me this kind of business. No good for me. I just open my shop now. How to get angry? You tell me. Take lah 600 baht. Take lah. Even when you're flying, you take aeroplane, right? I mean, most of us taken before lah. I don't know why the pilot must always tell us, but actually telling the cabin crew, prepare for landing. Why are you telling us? We don't need to know, you know. You call them and tell them lah, irritating. And then you fly long, short flight, right? They'll give you the waitress will come, waitress, stewardess will come with the food. Would you like an egg sandwich? Do I have an option? No. Then give lah, what's the problem? Stress, right? I tell you. But please remember to be happy. Every problem has a solution. So don't stress too much. And all this video you're taking, all the thing you're checking on. I don't have a social media, trust me. I refuse to even go there. That's not a joke. It means you get all kinds. Oh, anyway, please remember it's Hungry Ghost Month. So later when you're going home, anybody wave, don't wave back. It's not your friend. And a lot of Singaporeans now are very single because a lot of girls never get married, guys never get married because 35 is single already. Because by the time you pay your education loan, you go and find real money, you actually reach 35. A lot of girls single, my girlfriend single, no. I say find a man lah. She said, my kind of man very hard to find. I said, what kind of man you want? She said, I want a man who love me, who will always keep me happy. We must cry together. I said, yeah, like that Mary TV lah. Stupid, you know, you tell me. Because girls don't understand men, men don't understand women. I will explain to you now. Girls, you don't understand men. I know men. I was a man before. Men cannot multitask. They think they can. Morning, taking a dump in the toilet and using Facebook. That's not multitasking. When man driving his car, her friend sitting next to him, halfway driving, the friend say, hey, you see there's a hot girl standing there. He cannot reply because...